Have you ever witnessed the Great Migration across endless savannas? Or imagined a snow-capped mountain right on the equator? Let's explore Kenya, the jewel of East Africa. From incredible safaris to the rich Maasai culture, stunning beaches and ancient history, Kenya has it all. So join us as we take you on a journey through the best places to visit in this breathtaking country. The unforgettable safari experience. Witnessing the Great Wildebeest Migration. The Great Wildebeest Migration is the world's most spectacular wildlife migration. Every year, between July and October, millions of zebras and gazelles travel between the Masai Mara National Reserve in Kenya and the Serengeti National Park in Tanzania. This incredible journey takes them across the treacherous Mara River, where they face a variety of predators, including crocodiles and hippos. The best place to witness this amazing spectacle is from a hot air balloon. Imagine floating over the vast savannas at sunrise as the wildebeest thunder below you. The thrill of seeing these magnificent creatures up close is truly unforgettable. And if you're lucky, you might even spot a leopard or lion lounging in the tall grass. The warm air balloon safari offers a unique bird's-eye view of the Mara Plains and is an experience that will stay with you forever. Spotting the Big Five. If you're a wildlife enthusiast, then a safari in the Masai Mara National Reserve is a must. The reserve is home to the famous Big Five: the lion, leopard, rhinoceros, elephant, and buffalo. These majestic animals roam freely across the 500-square-mile reserve and can be spotted on a thrilling game drive. Imagine the excitement of seeing a pride of lions feasting on their prey, or witnessing a herd of elephants bathing in a watering hole. The thrill of spotting these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat is truly unforgettable. A visit to Amboseli National Park. Amboseli National Park is famous for its stunning views of massive elephant herds, with the backdrop of Mount Kilimanjaro, Africa's highest peak. The park is home to over 400 species of birds and is an ideal destination for birds. In addition to the elephants, Amboseli is also home to giraffes, zebras, hyenas, and a variety of other wildlife. The short grasses and open plains make it easy to spot animals from a distance, and the clear skies provide excellent opportunities for stargazing. Amboseli is truly a paradise for nature lovers. Exploring Tsavo National Park. Tsavo National Park is one of Kenya's largest parks and is known for its red elephants, which get their color from dusting themselves with the park's vibrant red soil. The park is also famous for the legend of the man-eating two lions that terrorized railway workers in the 19th century. Today, visitors can learn about this fascinating history at the Sarova Stanley Hotel, which was built by the railway workers. One of the highlights of Tsavo National Park is Emazima Springs, a crystal-clear oasis where visitors can spot hippos and crocodiles from an underwater viewing chamber. The springs are a great place to relax and take in the beauty of the park's abundant wildlife, culture, history, and the urban vibe. Get to know the Maasai people. The Maasai are a fascinating tribe of people who live in Kenya and Tanzania. They are known for their distinctive red clothing, their unique lifestyle, and their rich cultural heritage. Visiting a traditional Maasai village is a humbling experience that offers a glimpse into a way of life that is rapidly disappearing. The Maasai people are pastoralists, which means that they travel with their cattle from place to place in search of fresh grazing land. This nomadic lifestyle has been part of their culture for centuries. But today, many Maasai villages are now settled. However, the traditions and customs of the Maasai people remain strong, and visitors to Kenya can experience this firsthand by visiting a village and learning about their way of life. One of the most famous aspects of the Maasai culture is the adumu, or jumping dance. This traditional dance is performed by the young men of the community and is a celebration of their strength and agility. The dancers jump and chant while others play traditional instruments and sing along. It's a lively and energetic performance that showcases the passion and pride of the Maasai people. Experience Nairobi, more than just a gateway. Although often seen as just a gateway to the amazing safari destinations, Nairobi has a lot to offer visitors. The capital city is home to several attractions that are worth exploring. At the Giraffe Center, you can feed and even kiss the endangered Rothschild's giraffes. The David Sheldrick Wildlife Trust is an emotional experience. The nursery cares for orphaned baby elephants and rhinos, and the trust has a remarkable track record of success. Karen Blixen Museum is a beautiful museum set in the former home of the author of Out of Africa. The museum offers a glimpse into Kenya's colonial past and the life of a legendary writer. Overall, Nairobi is a city that should not be overlooked. It has a vibrant atmosphere and a lot to offer visitors. Discover the Great Rift Valley. The Great Rift Valley is a unique geological feature that stretches for thousands of miles through eastern Africa. In Kenya, the valley is known as the cradle of humanity, as it is home to some of the oldest human fossils ever discovered. The view of the valley floor from the escarpment is truly breathtaking. The sheer drop and the patchwork of farmland, forests and lakes make for a truly memorable sight. There are several viewpoints along the road from Nairobi to Nakuru, making it easy to pull over and snap a quick picture. However, plan for crowds and limited parking space at the viewpoint. Don't miss this opportunity to witness the natural beauty of the Great Rift Valley. The stunning Kenyan coast. Relax on Diani Beach. Diani Beach, located in the coastal region of Kenya, is widely regarded as one of Africa's most beautiful beaches. With its pristine white sands, crystal-clear waters, and swaying palm trees, it's the perfect destination for a relaxing getaway. Visitors can lounge on the beach, swim in the warm ocean, or simply soak up the sun. The beach is also a great spot for water activities such as snorkeling, scuba diving, and kitesurfing. Diani Beach is a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Kenya. Explore Lamu Island. Lamu Island is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the oldest and best-preserved Swahili settlement in East Africa. Located off the coast of Kenya, Lamu is a charming island with a rich history and a relaxed atmosphere. Visitors can explore the island's narrow alleys and admire its ancient architecture, including the Lamu Fort and the many mosques. But what makes Lamu truly unique is its car-free status. Donkeys are the main form of transport, and visitors are encouraged to get lost in the maze-like streets and soak up the island's laid-back vibe. Another must-do activity in Lamu is sailing on a traditional dhow, a classic Swahili wooden boat. Visitors can sail into the sunset and enjoy the refreshing sea breeze as they take in the stunning views of the Indian Ocean. Overall, Lamu Island is a hidden gem that offers visitors a unique and unforgettable experience. Discover Mombasa and Fort Jesus. Mombasa is Kenya's city and a bustling port city with a rich history and vibrant atmosphere. Visitors can explore the old town, which is full of winding alleys, bustling markets, and historic landmarks. One of the most popular attractions in Mombasa is Fort Jesus, a massive 16th-century Portuguese fort that is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The fort played a significant role in the trade and conflict between European powers and local rulers in the 16th and 17th centuries. Today, visitors can tour the fort and learn about its fascinating history. Mombasa is also home to several beautiful beaches, including Nili Beach and Bamburi Beach, which are perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and enjoying the coastal lifestyle, adventure, and unique landscapes. Hike or climb Mount Kenya. Mount Kenya is the second highest peak in Africa, standing at an impressive 5,199 meters above sea level. The mountain is located in central Kenya and is a popular destination for hikers and climbers from around the world. The trek to the summit can take several days and requires experienced guides and porters to help navigate the challenging terrain, but the breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape make it all worthwhile. As you climb higher, you'll encounter a variety of unique plant and animal species, including the endangered mountain bongo. One of the most unique features of Mount Kenya is the presence of glaciers and snow on the equator. Yes, you heard that right. The mountain's high altitude creates a microclimate that supports these icy formations, making it a rare sight to see in this part of the world. Don't miss Hell's Gate National Park. Hell's Gate National Park is a truly unique destination that offers visitors a different kind of safari experience. Located just 90 minutes from Nairobi, Hell's Gate is known for its dramatic gorges and cliffs that were famously said to have inspired Pride Rock in Disney's The Lion King. What sets Hell's Gate apart is that it's one of the few parks in Africa where visitors can walk or cycle alongside wildlife such as zebras, giraffes, and buffaloes. The park is also home to a variety of rock hyrax, and there are several walking trails that allow visitors to get up close and personal with these adorable creatures. And there you have it, folks. The top 6 places to visit in Kenya. We've taken you on an unforgettable journey through this beautiful country, from the thrilling safaris to the stunning landscapes, rich cultural experiences, and exciting activities. Whether you're a wildlife enthusiast, an adventure seeker, or simply looking for a relaxing getaway, Kenya has something for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Kenya. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Travel our planet. Give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you're already planning your next adventure, don't forget to check out our upcoming videos for more travel inspiration. Until then, Keep exploring, stay curious, and get ready for your next journey. Thanks for watching.